Alright guys, we're currently in this trade. Everything looks nice. Just one break even on this account. We are aiming for, that 1 hour day. This one right here, we're aiming for a little bit more. We're so close. Honestly, if we hit this trade, we probably go break even on the account. We back the balance back up after risking 2%. That's if we hit. And then we have our order flow chart here, showing strong indication like, hey, if the sellers are unable to hold this right here, we're probably going to continue back up and have strong aggression to reach the value area high and the range high here. So honestly, that's kind of the main control.
Who's talking?
And then we have the point of control here, which the market completely neglected in the value area low, or a high volume node below the value area low, and this low volume node, the value in between the values, and the market clearly respected it and pushed up higher and showed a strong distribution. And now we're looking like, hey, if we want to retest, we can do that. Buyers need to hold here. We're also watching the tape and the delta here. So, buyers, if sellers take control here, the buyers are probably, we're probably going to get stopped out break even, which is fine, honestly. So, I'm honestly fine with that. So, yeah. And we probably did get hit break even out on one account, which is probably this one. So, yeah. And then just have to wait and see for this one. Main reason why we weren't break even is because ES was unable to break above the highs and NQ did. So that is basically really it. I'll update you guys on this trade right here if we get hit break even or if we basically win. So yeah. Alright, so here we have another fair value gap formed, and honestly, if we respect this fair value gap, we probably will get stopped to break even. But if we disrespect it and make an inverse, we have a high likelihood of breaking past these highs right here and then reaching our target, something like this, where something like that. So honestly, this is kind of the main watch for now. It's just like, hey, what happens, what doesn't happen, and I'm just gonna wait and see. Alright, so I moved my stop loss to this low, or the rejection block low off of the 5-minute retrace, and we did make this 1 minute fair value gap inverse. If we break above these highs right now, I will probably move the stop loss below the inversion fair value gap, the bottom of the fair value gap, because again, we have another one forming, and we also want to see, consequent encroachment be an area where the market does hold it above, since we are above it. So it has to be very, very crucial. But again, we have to break above it. But for now, just leaving the stop loss where it's at, staying break even. We have another little fair value gap formed, unable to reach above the highs and reach our buy side objectives. So just waiting here, honestly, being patient, managing this trade where we have patience, and disconnected from the P&L. I think that's one of the biggest things, is like disconnect from your P&L and connect with your trade idea. So that's really it, honestly. It's just like, hey, we break above here, all right, boom, stop loss to fairly up low. Now you want to see the market reach that take profit area, and that's kind of what we're just waiting for now, is that one final little push. Yeah, just being patient, honestly. I think we reach it probably the next candle around this one. Unfortunate not to. Yeah, we're struggling a little bit, but I think we should. The buyers are in control still. Sellers are slowly chipping away though. We have to be very, very careful here. Yeah, the sellers are slowly getting us. They're selling a little bit more. This is what I mean, trailing stop loss is so important. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave this here. Take that off. This was our little area. As you can see there, the market is retracing. This is why it's so important. Have a good stop loss placement and trade management. Because it can just rebalance that area and then just push like that. Oh my days. Oh my days. There we go. Order filled. Balance is back at break even now. Both accounts are back at break even here, man. Just a crazy day, honestly. So that's pretty much really it. We are at a break even now. Both accounts. Nice little trade today. This was the trade. I have it on the object tree. It's going to be not that one. It's going to be the first one. This one right here. So this was the trade. Yeah, nice 1 to 1.3, risking 2%. And this is the P&L. Yeah, that's pretty much really it. Now I'm gonna step away, walk my dog, and just honestly enjoy my day. Peace.